You're being videotaped, Allegra.
Yeah, here, come on. Let's see how. Tell Dad bring that thing over to the scale.
I'll remember that. What's your name? I missed it.
Allegra Joy.
Allegra. Tall. Who is this? A little bit fat.
Hey, baby girl.
It's 3562 grams. 7 pounds, 14 ounces.
What is it?
Excuse me, you're too long for this scale. You're too long for that scale.
Until I get the diaper, because she just won't stop.
Poopy butt. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's got a little hat.
You sound good. She's tall.
Let me get under here.
She's got gorgeous eyes.
54.5 centimeters or 21.5 inches.
Babe, would you rather me be over there with you or over here videotaping?
Let's stay over there. She came over my head, too.
She is so beautiful, Andrea. Oh my gosh.
Does she have a photo?
No, she's like the best looking baby I've ever
Yeah,
seen.
not as bad. She's.
I'm not partial or anything.
What one's her after?
I'll be working on those in a
Yeah.
second.
This feels fabulous short. The first one's going to be kind of rough. She's a little depressed.
See, she's cute. I wouldn't mind her coming over. We'll leave you here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Can we stay here with her? Can she stay here?
So far, she looks good.
You look good, Allegra.
Placetta's kind of blocking her off.
A little mess over here.
Yeah.
Hello. She's not crying very much, huh?
That's okay. She's breathing all on her own, and she's just kind of chillaxing. That's a medical term.
She's got your feet. She's got your feet.
Oh, no.
Oh no, she goes.
Yeah, you can start the kitten.
Can I hold her hand?
Mm-hmm. You can touch her and talk to her and all
Hey,
that.
baby. I'm your dad. You're a good looking kid, you know that? I'm going to show this at your high school graduation and you're going to be so embarrassed.
That was already in there. I don't know.
Make sure they didn't convert.
She's not going to like
Clean
it.
out that newer place before the ship.
You can't really tell eye color yet, can you?
No, it's too early.
Yes. Everything's under control. Oh, sure. Yeah, I'm sure we need to take in a lot of stuff.
Did you show Mom a picture of her yet?
Hmm?
Did you show Mom a picture of her yet?
That's a good idea.